Hey Dekoni fans! Today, we want to show you how to install your earpads for the Sony Z1R. The first step is to remove the stock pads. Twist the pad counterclockwise, and then remove it from the ear cup. Now, take your Dekoni earpads and find the blue insertion pin. Push the connector pin into the corresponding pinhole. The two pads are not identical, so make sure you match the shape of the pad you grab to either the left or right ear cup. For the right ear cup, put the connector pin in the red hole, and for the left ear cup, put the connector pin in the white hole. Once the connector pin is situated, twist the ear pad until it locks. Once you've finished installing both of your Dekoni audio earpads, be moved by your enhanced Sony Z1Rs.